Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Xiaomi Dreame D10 vacuum to the smartphone application. So I'm working on Android, so I'm gonna show you how it works on this system. In the first step, we have to open the Google Play Store and look for the Xiaomi Home application, this one. Then install it and open. Now we have to sign in, so click on the green button. And now you can choose the Facebook, Google account or just normal register. So I'm gonna use the Google account, just give me a second. Okay, we got the account. So now in the right upper corner, click on the plus in the circle, then select Add Device or Scan. Now if you have the this short manual how to connect, you can try to scan this QR code. So as you can see, suddenly I couldn't scan the code, so we're gonna try how to add it manually. So as you can see, there we have the section, click on the robot vacuum, then we are looking for the D10 vacuum. So just give me a second, I have to just found it. There we have the D9. Okay, there we have the D10 Plus, so we can try. Now we have to reset the appliance by holding the two buttons at the same time.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Okay, now we have to enter the password to the application to our Wi-Fi network, so just give me a second. And now we're gonna try to find this appliance by the Wi-Fi network. Okay, there we have the Wi-Fi from our appliance, just connect it.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result.
Okay, and as you can see, we connected this appliance successfully with our phone. Now we have to wait to end of the loading and we can manage the appliance from the smartphone. Basically, that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.